Well, here we are again, back at Granville Island. We're going for a bite to eat. We're on the quest, I'm on the quest anyway, to get a pizza, slice of pizza. Right, Ma?
Yep, you're gonna get your pizza.
And you're gonna get what?
Sandwich and cappuccino.
Okay. Well, let's go get it.
Alrighty. But they feed themselves, don't they?
Oh yeah. They'll steal it right out of your hands.
But we have to walk all the way around to the front.
I know, isn't it crazy? You can't just walk in and get your sandwich there. We gotta go all the way around.
You still have your big star up.
It's red.
There goes the water.
Yep. Whoa. We're being attacked by the birds. Favorite dessert place?
They even have gluten-free.
Yeah, gluten-free.
We're all gone. I get up.
Where are you going?
It's the wrong corridor.
One more down. You're getting there.
Oh, yummy. Rosemary garlic lamb.
So at any time that you guys feel like it, you can actually pause the video and look around. You don't, when you pause it, it doesn't freeze the video. You can still look around, but it stops us from moving forward in time, but you can still look around. So give it a try. I know, that was a terrible place to pause it, wasn't it? All right, heading on down.
So much to see.
Yep. Christiane got her pickles there, didn't she?
Yeah, those look yummy. Huh.
Yep. Fish and chips. And this place right here. There he is, the blue parrot. There you go, your favorite spot to order food. Normally we just walk in through that door right there, but not today. Not during COVID.
And get us a nice seat.
You want me out of here?
Yeah, it'll be more interesting for the viewers. So get us a nice seat.
All right.
Use a pigeon. Careful, the seagulls are sleeping.
Yes, I know. They're quite aggressive, aren't they?
Very.
They'll take it right out of your hand. No, extreme close up. Hello, Mom. Want to sit on this side of me and
Sure.
watch yourself with the birds? Because they are still aggressive out here.
This thing is too big for the
Before you came out, there was birds like crazy here.
Oh, yeah?
Well, I kind of chased them away with the stick. Yay, we got the pizza.
Right. Right on my head. Hello there, Mr. Seagull.
Be careful, they actually rip the food out of your heads.
Yeah, they did that one time. Go away. In my sandwich.
They get very, very nasty. Watch out, very
Yo.
They almost had the sandwich.
Go away. Okay.
There's his pizza. They're hooked on junk food.
Yeah, I think so.
No, they are. They're hooked on it, eh?
Well, they are scavengers.
Yeah.
That guy was really mad. He took the pizza right off his plate. Don't blame him. These are loud.
That's not a good catch.
It was. I didn't let it go. Almost lost it. They're warning that somebody else is coming with pizza.
Try to keep that lady's
Yeah. They saw her coming.
one kid lost that. Whole pizza. And hey, if we can take a pizza from a human, we can take it easy from another bird.
They come from over there with the pizza.
Yeah, the other side.
Here.
The selfie stick is safe for about 60 times. There you go. You're back at Island now.
Another one behind the pitch. Just pitch though. Seagulls, yeah.
Alright, that goes on my mask. I'm not eating or drinking right now, so.
Are we going in the car now?
Yeah, so that we can get to the beach.
Alright.
So stay tuned for that video, guys. But make sure you like and subscribe so that you can see us heading to the beach. That was our time eating at Granville Island. Hope you enjoyed.
Again.
Yeah, once again, what she said. Oh, scared the bird.
We'll be back at Granville Island
Yeah,
again.
over and over and over.
Because it's one of my favorite places in the world.